Good evening, everybody. This is Miss Moore, and we're going to go through how to complete our lesson today, our interactive map activity. We're going to start in our Spring ISD portal. Make sure your email is open, and we're going to have our Schoology open so we can begin our lesson. Now let's go to our lesson. We're going to be in our correct class period. We're going to scroll down and find our lesson. It's the Regions of Texas Interactive Map Activity, and we're going to open it. And it says that we're going to do a couple of things. And of course, you'll have the Submit Assignment button over here for when you finished. It says Review the Regions of Texas video, which is here. Using the video and notes from your interactive notebook on the Regions of Texas, which we've previously created. Place the terms in the correct region on the Regions of Texas map. When you're finished, submit the map to Schoology. So what you're going to do first, before we open the video, is to open this Regions of Texas interactive map slide. So we're going to do that together. And it says, would you like to make a copy? Yes, you do want to make a copy. So click the blue button and give it a second to load. All right, and it comes up with your activity. And before you get started, what you want to do is come up here to the name of the document and take out the part where it says copy of, and you're going to put your name so that you know who it belongs to, and it still has the correct title so that you know what to look for when you go to submit your assignment. Okay? And you're not going to be doing any typing on this one. So you have your instructions here, and if you want to make it larger so you can see it, you can do the present, and it says place the items in the correct region and submit to Schoology when finished. So you can go down here and make it smaller so you can move the items. So the map itself and the instructions don't move, but the words here do move. And if you look right here at my cursor, it is a 4-way arrow. Okay, so that means it can move. If you click it like this, that's going to move the whole background. That's not what you want to do. What you do want is to hover over one of the terms, and that will tell you that you're ready to move one of the terms. So you're going to look for this term. It's moving the Great Plains, and you're going to use your notes and the video to identify which of these areas is the Great Plains region, and you're going to choose one to put it in, and then you're going to leave it there. Then you're going to find one of the other terms, and you're going to drag it to the correct region and leave it there. So if you think that the mountains go in the blue region, you would drop it right there and leave it. Once you have put all of the terms in the correct spot according to the video and your notes, then you would go back over here to Schoology and you would submit your assignment, and then you're finished. Good luck moving the items, and I'll see you in class.